the box?
What's in the box?
Did that work? Oh, so is that what that's in your hand? Is your manifesto?
No, I tried to read, but I assume everything is here.
That sounds like a job for Murr. Oh my gosh. Look at all this stuff.
Yeah, you went crazy. I left my Visa card out for one day. You know, it's funny, this stuff came the same day the bank called me and says my Visa card was stolen.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
Yeah, get rid of this garbage. There's no need of it.
Holy moly. Oh, you've already gone right in, like deep in.
Well, I was trying to make some room and organize because there was just stuff freaking everywhere. So we got like front end stuff here. So like that whole thing is being replaced with this.
There's a lot more to that than there is to that.
You want to go fast, don't you?
No.
Oh. You look cool going slow. No,
Yes.
So yeah, we got the subframe box. We put a different column in because these ones like have the rod that'll kill you, like your 57 Chevy.
Aye.
And then springs, spindles, miscellaneous. I got new seats.
Ooh, I'm excited about that.
I bought the seats, and of course that's gonna come with the used ones on Facebook. New wheels. Look at this brand.
Those are really nice, I will say.
Brand new steel wheels. I hope they all fit good. Hopefully they do. We'll see. The back spacing I kind of guessed on. The front ones are mint. The back ones we might have to do.
The fronts look really good.
Those would be nice. Yeah, they get nice new center caps. And you got like the fanciest differential of all of us.
Wow.
There's so much stuff.
Oh my gosh. Well, that giant, so all that was just in that giant box?
Yeah. And then like these little down bars and all that, so.
Oh my gosh.
But I'm thinking by the end of the night, I should be able to have this thing
puzzled together while I'm streaming.
I need a set of front wheels, front tires.
See, he built my car and I stream video games on the internet. I feel like this is a fair trade for me. Yes.
You're not helping?
No, I'm busy tonight.
Oh, all right.
It is crazy that you can buy everything to like build it.
That's a little ridiculous.
Like, it's wild that you can just go on the internet and be like, Speedway, I'll buy the entire front of a car.
You can buy a lot of stuff on the internet.
Like that, the dark web. But like, that's wild. Look at all this stuff, man. I am gonna be the coolest, slowest drag racer out there. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, be gentle.
I need Joe here. You gotta scrape off some of the center coating.
Oh, I'm busy doing your thumbnails, actually.
Oh. The other thing was, I don't really want to paint anything. We're just gonna let it all rust.
I'm not shocked. I thought that's what we were doing. Well, we gotta at least like clear coat it.
No.
What?
Let it rust. Like an old race car. What'd you do?
That was all you.
Handle that, it'll handle the crash.
Joe was here earlier this week, and so we were making a plan for what's gonna go on the car name-wise. I don't think we've revealed the name yet, have we?
I think I said it in one of them yet.
Oh, did you? Well, that's a little lackluster then. What are we calling it again?
Nova priced.
Nova priced. Because y'all think we overpaid. I still disagree. I still can't believe in the comments everyone's talking about how much we overpaid. It's been months.
You didn't pay anything.
So I got the right price, actually.
Yeah. What do you do with the overpriced car? You spend all your rest of your money on it. Buy a bunch of boxes.
Man, if we were into building forts, we could build the coolest cardboard fort out of all this stuff.
Yeah, you ain't wrong there. Jeez, there's stuff.
Are you feeling a little overwhelmed?
Yeah, I don't know where to start. That's my problem.
You know what I find helps me when I'm overwhelmed? I'll just like stand in one spot and I'll turn in circles for a little bit. And then that helps me find my footing after I'm dizzy. You could try that.
I could. I
Hmm.
need your help to move something.
Okay. What can I do for you?
I'm gonna lift up on this. I need you to move the floor jack, but you gotta grab this bottom one.
This bottom one, what do you mean? Okay.
Oh, that's heavy. Oh, that's not attached to anything.
Don't throw on your back.
Move that around the back.
These tires are in a not convenient spot.
Wheels.
These are quite heavy. Can I put this on top of this?
No. It's
Really?
a brand new mag wheel. Yes, really.
Okay, well, I didn't know. You can't put a wheel on top of a wheel.
That's why I said grab the bottom one.
You know, the stuff you spend money on that's not junk, and then the stuff you spend money on that is junk. There's just no rhyme or reason.
Oh, well, we'll have together or something later.
There you go. All right, well, I've brought him the fuel of iced tea and a little happy face cup. Did you figure out where you're gonna start?
Yeah, it's gotta get a few tools and we'll be good to go.
I like that you're even gonna read the instructions. That makes me feel a lot better. I'm not gonna lie to you.
There's a lot going on here.
Well, I feel like we'll just check back in with you when it's all done. We'll just watch you from afar. I am very, very excited. Saturday morning, I'm sleeping in. You wake me up with a kiss before you go. You're off to work, I'm off to brunch. I wanna follow you wherever you go. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires. Let's light this road on fire and go. Stop for gas and stop for snacks. We'll stop for photographs, using the wind as our ACE. Shift the gears and floor the gas. Let this love last years with you. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires. Let's light this road on fire and go. And go. Get the tools, cause we'll need them knowing you. Zip ties and duct tape, this is fate. Couldn't want it any other way. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires. Let's light this road on fire and go. So let's get into that broken down Chevy and drive. Where we go, I don't care, just get me into open air. Start the car and burn the tires. Let's light this road on fire and go. glad we time-lapsed this on my side because the struggle with the bolts, I was about to lose my mind trying to put those bolts in. I don't know why. But Dan's gonna weld some stuff and do some other things that I don't really have any interest in doing at this point. So I gotta make some tacos, feed the dogs. And that's it for me. It is Monday, so that means I'm gonna be streaming at 8 o'clock Central. So if you wanna come hang out on Twitch, I would love that. Look at how cool this looks. I'm pretty pumped about this. I feel like I'm more pumped than Dan is about this.
I'm just stressed at this point right now.
Fair enough. All right, well, that's it. Short and sweet. Bye.